guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful paper flower. You'll need some cardstock paper and you can download the templates for the base and the petals from my website www.mollymakeseverything.com. Once you have the templates, go ahead and cut out the pieces. You'll need 8 petals of the 2 largest sizes, and then you'll need 5 petals of the medium size and 4 petals of the smallest size and 1 base. Once you have all those cut out, first thing you're going to do is fold the petals along the middle, and you can use a ruler for this to get a really straight line. So just crease it down the middle and do that for all the petals. After that, you want to cut a slit a few inches in the bottom of the petals. Once you've cut the slits, you just fold it over about halfway over each other and seal it with the glue gun, secure it with the glue gun. And do that for all the petals. And then when you've done that, you can just roll the sides of the tops of the petals just to give it a bit more dimension. And you can roll it in any direction really, but try not to crease the card. Just roll it with your hands. Now that your petals are ready, we're going to glue these all onto the base. So we start with the largest petals and we're going to glue 4 on first. So just glue them on the edges across from each other. And once you have those first 4 there, you're going to go ahead with the big petals again and glue another 4 down in between the gaps. And then you take your next size down from that. And again, we're gluing 4 across from each other and then another 4 in between. So what I'm doing with the petals is each petal is being laid in between another 2 petals. Just give it a nice overlap effect. And then you're going with the smaller petals. And with this we have 5, so just go around until you fill up the space. And then we'll finish off with the smaller petals. And you'll only be able to fit about 4 in here. If you do need more petals, if you have gaps, just go ahead and cut more petals. There's really no right or wrong. It just depends on how good it looks. Now what I do to make it easier to secure is I glue on a nice wide ribbon onto the back of the flower and along one side of it. And with this, it makes it really easy to pin it onto fabric. Now for the center of the flower, I'm using this gold glitter card. So I've just cut out a circle and I'm cutting that into 4. And this will make the inside of the flower. So with each triangle, just score the top part of it, just get a nice straight line, and then roll the bottom part of it and keep that in place with the glue gun. And you should have this really cute cone, and then bend that flat bottom part of it, because that's what we're going to glue it down. That's the part that we're going to glue down. And just repeat that with all 4. Now it's time to finish your flower. So just take the 4 cones, and we're just again going to glue it in a cross pattern. So just 1 across from another, and then another 2 on either side. And your flower is complete. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you try it. Thanks for watching, guys.